In the workplace, problems sometimes occur. A customer may receive the wrong item, a project may be delayed, or a message may be misunderstood. When these situations arise, responding politely is essential. Apologizing professionally shows respect and helps maintain good relationships even when the issue was not your fault. Polite apologies acknowledge the problem clearly. Phrases such as, "I'm sorry for the inconvenience," or "I'm sorry for the delay," address the issue without being defensive. When someone has been waiting, saying "thank you for your patience" shows appreciation. Showing empathy is equally important. Expressions like, "I understand how frustrating that must be," or "we appreciate your feedback," demonstrate that you recognize the impact on the other person. This helps them feel heard and respected rather than dismissed. Reassuring about future actions also matters. Saying, "We'll make sure this doesn't happen again," or explaining what steps will be taken, provides confidence. By handling complaints with clear, respectful language, you can resolve issues effectively, reduce tension, and strengthen professional relationships with colleagues and clients.